Today, we're diving into the world of photo editing magic as we explore the dodge tools in Photoshop. If you are looking to enhance the highlights in your photos and add the extra form, you are in the right place. Now, let's jump right in. The first thing first, let's understand what does the dodge tools does, and the dust tool does an incredibly features in Photoshop that allows you to selectively light a specific area in your images, whether you want to brighten up the our smiles and emphasize certain details or create a captivating effect. The dots tools is your go-to tool for enhancing highlights. Okay. To access the dodge tools, head over to the left-hand toolbar and look for a little icons, and it's kind of like the hands you can find there. The dodge tools in there. Okay, so let me try to find out where we have now the dodge tools. Click over hold and the several dodge tools. Click over and now you can also press the O on your computer or cycle through until you find the dodge tools. Like I can just use it. Now you can see it gives me here as like the lightness of this one. Okay, now that we have the dodge tool selected, now let's explore the settings. Also, you will find at the top of the screen and pay attention to exposure in there, and it's control the strength of that dodge effect. Okay, so start with the lower value. So you can select here like if I want to say 20 or say around 20, so we can use the 20 in there. Now you can see the changes of this one. If I increase the exposure a little bit, if I say this will be 70 rounds, so that changes of this one is different. Okay, so this way you can play around this, or you can change the range, like you can change the shadow. It can help you to make or help you to use the shadows in there. Okay, and also you can experiment with this ranges and depending on the effect you want to achieve. Okay, so time to put our knowledge into the action. So you can use this one into here, and before that I can just use and return to this one here. You can now see the changes of with our images. So what is changes in there? So this way you can easily use it. If you want to increase the brush size, you can also do it from here, and you can change the hardness of this one. So here we have now the hardness 0, and you can make it a little bit top. Now you can see the changes with this one and what the changes gave that with the dodge functions in there. Okay, so here I can use it, and now you can see the changes of this one. Now you can see here or whatever I work with the dust tools. Okay, so there you have it. Dust tools in all its glory. Experiment, have fun, and don't be afraid to get creative with your highlights. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.